Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about Trane furnace pressure switch error solutions. But first, what does pressure switch error mean? A pressure switch in your furnace is normally installed to check whether the combustion or air inducer is working properly. If the pressure switch fails to sense the right pressure difference, the furnace will not be ignited, resulting in the pressure switch error. The following are some of the common causes of pressure switch errors. Blocked vent or flue. Blocked vent or flue. The usual problem can be caused by debris, snow, or ice clogging the vent pipe or flue and restricting the airflow available for the fire. Faulty pressure switch. It may be a problem with the switch itself. Over time, it can wear out or fail, leading to an error. Disconnected or damaged hoses. The hoses attached to the pressure switch may be loose, cracked, or disconnected, making the pressure readings inaccurate. Inducer motor issues. If the inducer motor is not working properly, it is possible that the motor does not build up enough pressure to close the pressure switch. Condensation or water blockages. A buildup of condensed water in the hose or flue, or the presence of water in the hose or flue, hinders the flow of air that the pressure switch requires. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix a pressure switch error. Inspect the vent and flue. This can be done to ascertain if the error is due to a blocked vent or flue. Try the following. Remove any dirt, ice, or snow buildup that may hinder the air circulation in the vent and flue. Check the pressure switch hose. If the vent and flue are clear, check on the pressure switch hose. Do this. Shut off the power and the gas that supplies the furnace before carrying out any checks. Ensure that the hose that regulates the pressure switch is not cracked, blocked, or disconnected. If damaged, replace, making sure it is well fixed. Test the inducer motor. Follow these steps. Listen for any abnormal sound. Use a manometer to measure the pressure produced by the inducer motor. If the level as displayed is not the right level, consider repairing it or replacing it. Examine for water blockages. Here's how to check. Check the hoses and flue for water or condensation. If there is water, ensure that the hose is tilted downwards to allow the water to drain. Replace the pressure switch. If none of the solutions work, replacing the pressure switch is the best solution. Read the manufacturer's guide and ensure that you follow the instructions keenly or seek the services of a professional to do the installation. Thanks for watching.